So you may ask, Father Joe, what is a protective component? Protective components are components that helps to filter, smoothen, and also protect voltage. They are connected negative and positive to protect any input voltage. So let me explain. Protective components are components. They are normal components. All these resistor, capacitor, this and that, they are normal components. But in terms of protective components, they are stronger than the normal small component that you normally see inside the phone panel. So right here you can see, here we have capacitor, and the capacitor is big. It's not that very small capacitor. It's big, and this capacitor is a non-polarized capacitor. And here we have a Zener diode. So what is the function of this Zener diode? The function of Zener diode is to protect the high voltage. Yes. Take for instance, you plug in charger here, and the charging IC misbehave and give out 5 volts. So it's going to block. It's going to block. The Zener diode is going to block because this Zener diode was rated to only work on 4.5 or 4.2 voltage. So when this voltage get to 5 volts, so the Zener diode will block to save the CPU and other component that is inside the phone. The protective component act as a filter. They act as bodyguards, security to other component. Yes, to protect other component from having any issues. That's all. So rectifier diode have positive and negative. So this is used to protect in case you make a mistake or use a wrong battery to put in this phone. So right here we have positive in this side while negative in this side. So if you make a mistake and use a battery that have negative in this side and have positive in this side, so it's going to cause a spark. And this diode right here is going to protect, it's going to try to protect the voltage, right? So if the voltage is too strong, it's going to burn out the diode because the diode cannot be able to bear it any longer. So when a customer brings any phone to you and tells you that the phone is not on, so after checking the battery, checking the contact effects, like I said, if you check my previous video, you'll see that I talked about contact effects, how you can troubleshoot. So that was troubleshooting part 1, and this video right now is troubleshooting part 2. So you rush over to the protective component by using your multimeter to test the battery pin to be sure that the current is still flowing in. Yes, a lot of engineers failed because they don't know how to troubleshoot. I thought about something like that about some weeks ago. So I'm bringing in the topic because I want everybody to understand, right? So use your multimeter to test this pin to know that current is still flowing inside, right? If something blocks, go to this protective component, right? Every phone have protective component. So always go to the protective component to check if there is anything blocking the power. Very, very important, right? Always go there to check. It helps a lot because there are sometimes this protective component gets short and you don't know. You try all possible means to fix the phone, but you don't know that something is shorting the power. So always go here and check for some things, right? Always check this component. Very, very important. So let me know if this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.